You ever notice that? The more you wait for something, the longer it takes to get here. You gotta stop waiting for things. Just stop it. Don't expect nothing to come to you, because the more you expect it, you're not gonna get it. It's gonna be 25 years from now. After that little rant, how are we doing today? I hope everyone's doing great. I'm doing wonderful. I finally got my Boxy Charm. I have our Boxy Premium guy, and I don't know why I got him first instead of the regular Boxy Charm. But let's just show you inside here briefly. We don't want to spoil it. So I do like this baby blue color. It's really cute. So this is our Boxy Charm for this month in itty bitty tiny baby 34. So I got variation 34. Why put it in the same color that, you know, you can't see it? Why do that to me? It's like a cruel joke. So I haven't received my base box yet. This is my premium box. The premium is for $35 a month. And if you don't receive it, I would recommend looking into it, because Boxy Charm actually does have pretty good products. Ipsy as well has good products, but they are just, they have, that's another video. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. For the price that you pay, you really get a lot of product, and they're full-size products. So to me, that's a win-win. It really is a pretty good box, you guys. It's really pretty good, because a lot of the stuff that I end up wearing and liking is from my subscription box. Let's see what's in there. Oh, it is packaged very nice, you guys. It is. Wow, they're like all set up nice and neat. First thing we got in the box, I already knew I was gonna get this because I selected it. This is the Stila. I already love Stila. When Boxy Charm offered it as a selection, ding, I grabbed it immediately. If I can get it out of the box, I will definitely show you what it is. It is a shadow, okay? Why do you embarrass me like this? This is my channel. Well, that's something. You just gotta do that. If you do that, it will come out. Jeez. This is it right here. This is the Stila, and it is lovely metallic eyeshadow. This color right here, I believe, is a rose gold color. We have it right here. Really nice doe foot. It's short, so you feel like you have a good grip on it, you know? Sometimes when they're too long, you feel like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna miss it and hit my eyebrow. You know, we don't wanna do that. This color is the rose gold retro. Wow, look at that. That has got a sheen sparkle to it if I've ever seen one. All I have is a bit of bronzer on my eyes today. So you know what? I'll be able to try this out for you guys. It's liquidy, but it has got such a beautiful, if I could, I'm like going all the way around like a merry-go-round. I feel like a stupid. That's got a gorgeous sheen to it. Glitter and glow glides on effortlessly, then dries down smoothly, locking in maximum sparkle with minimal fallout. That's what it says, minimal fallout. It does feel very, very lightweight. It's almost like just a stain. You don't even know that it's on there because it's not heavy at all. I'll let you know how it wears on the eyes. The price on that is $24. So yeah, that's why I kind of always just maybe walk past it. I look at it, I say hello, but then I say goodbye. Too much. Next, we got this Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. So if you ever wanted to get in the Mile High Club, it's right here. You don't gotta go far. It's right here, okay? You don't gotta do all that up in the air, and you don't have to. You can do it right here. Now, I do have a few things from Wonder Beauty. I have a blush from them, I believe. No, I don't. That's a lie. I do have a couple things from Wonder Beauty. I do have the Nude Illusions foundation, which I'm like, it's a hit or miss some days for me. It goes on nice. It feels nice. It has a very luminous finish to it for the first part that you're wearing it. So like after about 2-3 hours maybe, it starts to just look greasy on this face right here. Not happy. It's like, you know, we're a frying pan waiting to saute something. Okay, that's what's going on. I do love how it looks initially. It's actually a pretty good foundation. So it's like a good date night foundation. That's what I tell people. I've seen people try this mascara. I already have mascara on, unfortunately. Here, maybe I can try some on the bottom lashes just to see if it does anything. But you know, I like to show you guys the products. It did add something there. But look at that, you guys. I just put it on the bottoms. The bottom lashes. It made them stand out a good little amount. Not bad. And this Wonder Beauty says, one swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates. Smudge proof, flake proof, and water resistant for all day wear. Well, I'll tell you if it's smudge proof or not, okay? Because yeah, you can write anything. You can type it out, you can print it, you can send it, you can fax it. But the truth of the matter is does it actually do what you just typed out and sent and faxed? Does it do it? Really? Ask yourself. Usually no, it doesn't do it. We're gonna try it out and we're gonna see how it goes. Next we have in the box this Nude sticks. I don't have anything by this brand right here. Oh, I don't know why I was thinking it was gonna be a squirt tube. Don't expect things, you see? Don't expect things, people. Doe foot applicator. Who would have guessed that was in here? Oh, it's actually a lovely color. This feels very, very creamy. Almost like a watery creamy, almost like what this felt like. So it ends up being pretty sheer the more you mess with it. Maybe don't mess with it. I don't know. Let's read what it says. Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Well, this dude is magnetic. Why? Do I want magnets on my lip? Do I? At my refrigerator? I've gained some weight. I could be, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Where luxury, K-beauty, and multitasking color meets long-wear performance, magnetic lip plush paints are luxurious, soft nudes in a feather-light, blurring matte, velvety texture. That's a long sentence, you guys. Wow. And it doesn't even have a period there. It just got a semicolon. That is non-drying and long-wearing, presented in monochromatic tones. Let me just put it on top, see what happens, okay? It's a very long doe foot. Well, it feels very light. Almost like if you're rubbing an oil on your lips. A light oil. I don't know. I just don't know, okay? This looks good. We're gonna see how it wears. Next in the box is this Levito. It's a grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado age away replenishing cream. It says for dry, mature skin. That's why they sent it to me, because they know that I'm 40. So rude. So rude. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna be thankful and grateful that it's in the box. Well, this isn't a bad size. I mean, people were saying that it was tiny. It's the size of my hand. My lighting is just, it's fighting me for some reason. It's, you know, it's like I'm a Jedi in here. Instructions: using circular motions, massages deeply nourishing, age-defying moisture cream into slightly damp, freshly cleansed skin until absorbed. Is it just me, or do companies now make one sentence a freaking paragraph? Everything I'm reading, like, you can't have one little small sentence with like 8 words in it. It has to have 50. There's like a limit on how many words you can put in a sentence, people. Feel bad for us people who read it out loud. It's got grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. Why did they stick melissa in there? What did she do to anybody? It's got a nice little seal on it, so that's always good to see. This is a joke, right? They do this so you look stupid on camera. That's why they do this. You can't open anything. You can use your eyeshadow brushes for so much more than just shadow. I mean, just, you know, it works out fine. Put a little dab. Oh, that's a big dab. I just want to smell it. It smells like cream. Any of y'all ever remember your grandparents wearing that cream, that Pond's, P-O-N-D-S, Pond's cream? This reminds me of that. Very, very much so. It just rubs in, and it's supposed to be good for your base. It smells like something for mature skin. Old-fashioned, perfumey scent, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. Oh, you guys, did I tell you how much this Nude Sticks was? $28, just so you know. This Levito right here, Age Away Replenishing Cream, is $69. So I guess I should be happy that I'm gonna smell this way. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. See, all of that, you guys, the entire row was one sentence. It was one sentence. And everything says it's gonna improve wrinkles and the appearance of skin. Everything. It all says that, it does. How many actually do? That's the key. That's the ticket right there. Next in the box, we have this right here, Opulent Beauty. That's a cute little bag, right? I mean, yeah. Oh, if you don't like what's inside, at least you got a bag, people. You got a bag and a box. What more could you want? And these 3 brushes. And I'm always happy to get brushes. Always, always. And they just have a clear handle. And I've never heard of this brand, Opulent Beauty. But they do feel...
No. It's not your time. This animal, I swear.
It's got a nice silver ferrule. The brush itself actually feels really soft. So this will be perfect for under the eyes. It does say the name of it right here. You can barely see it, but it does have it right there. Very soft. This will probably be really good for any kind of powder products. We'll see what this says. Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece collection. Correction, 3-piece brush collection. Let me get it together, okay. A full-size, ultra-soft, cruelty-free, crystal clear brush collection to create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare, foundation, complexion products, highlighters, and powders. This guy really isn't dense at all. They want you to use one of these 2 for your complexion products. I don't think you'll blend the liquid out too good. There's a lot of movement. And for me, when it has that much movement, it's better for powder. That's just how I feel. That's how I feel. Don't come at me. You do you, boo. You do you. I'm definitely glad I got this one. I do like anything that has that nice shape. What is that word that I'm looking for that no one can help me figure out? Tapered. That's what it is. Tapered. Comes to a point up here and it's tapered. All this right here. So far, I'm really liking this box, you guys. It's a pretty darn good box, but I do have one more product. These brushes go for $40. So 3 brushes, $40. Last but not least, I'm pretty stoked. I got this pure Barbie. This is heavy, you guys. It's like a gold brick. Could it be? Could I just get a gold brick in the box? That'd be nice. I kind of wanted Manny's palette, the Life is a Drag palette. I don't have anything from him, so I was kind of looking forward to getting his palette. Packaging is stunning. It really is. I mean, this right here is textured. It's like little rocks, okay? It's almost like if you're mad at somebody, you could just right over the head with it. That Thrive Cosmetics that I have, the mascara, that's a heavy duty mascara. And you could probably knock somebody out with that too, like a nightstick. This is more like a brick. Gorgeous palette. This one is screaming out at me. This one is screaming out at me. This one, and this one right here. Those guys are just saying my name. I hear them. It does have a lovely mirror. I love mirrors, you guys. They feel very, very smooth. Brown one right here. Okay. Again, very smooth. There it is on the finger. That one has a better pigment to it. I gotta see how it blends on the eye because things might swatch a certain way and then they actually go on the lid very different. Well, that one's decent too. They do feel super duper soft. My nail made an indention in one of them, so that wasn't fun. Pure Cosmetics Barbie Endless Possibilities Pressed Pigment Palette. This limited edition signature 12-piece pressed pigments palette celebrates the Barbie factor in all of us with shimmer, glitter, and matte pigments worthy of her 6-decade milestone. I mean, I see Barbie in there. I also see, my nail indention in there too. Yeah, don't forget that. That was the last product. Everything to me is very, very nice. We're gonna add it up. We're gonna see how much it costs, and then we're gonna throw the Stila on the eyeball, okay? It was $34 Pure Cosmetics, $24 Stila Glitter, $69 for that Libido Cream. Opulent Beauty brushes were $40. Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip was $28. And Wonder Beauty Mile High Club was $26. So the grand total for all this is, give me a second because I have to go and add it up because I don't have a calculator on my hand and I'm not that smart with math. Thank you. And I'm back. So the grand total came out to $221, which is really good for 6 full-size products. Thank you so much, Boxy Charm, because you're amazing. You don't just shove stuff in a box and send it off, That's how I feel. I do purchase my own boxes. I don't get paid to say anything, and I'm not on anybody's PR. So that's out of the way. Just letting you know, if I was on anyone's PR, I'm still gonna give an honest review no matter what, because that's what you're here for. You're here for honesty. You're here for the raw and the real, You're not here for the sugarcoat it and give everyone a lollipop and act like everything's hunky-dory. No, we gotta be real. And on a real note, let's try the Stila. I'm gonna actually use this Alamar brush right here because it's a flat brush and I wanna just kind of sweep it on there. Pop them right here. All right, so I'm noticing picking it up off the hand isn't the best idea. I just don't like doing this because I don't like ruining applicator with anything that you have on your lids. This shadow just does not do justice on camera. You have to be standing right here in front of me to see all of this sparkle. Not much makes me say wow, but this baby's got it going on. Work with it fast because it does dry down and it does set very quickly. And right there. I highly recommend, if you have not tried a Stila metallic eyeshadow, you go try one. So that's my box, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I'm glad I got the skincare. Gotta be happy. Gotta be grateful. And that reminds me to tell you guys, always be grateful. Be happy for what you have. Be happy for the beautiful day that we get. And just be happy to be alive. Sometimes we just gotta be grateful for the very simple things for life. You know, easy as that. I hope you're being safe and sound no matter where you are. Sending all my love to you guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. I don't know what to say anymore because I forget when I'm talking. My brain cells just, where do they go? I don't know. I don't know. Am I a refrigerator? I don't know. Is that what they, just magnet? I don't know. I give up. I'm not gonna, I gave up. Then dries down smoothly, locking in maximum sparkle without minimal fallout. No, that's not right. I did not read that right. It's locking. I try this multiple times. I don't want to reread it. I don't. We're gonna try that here in a minute, and I'll see if it's as lightweight on the eyelid. Oh, it's an eyelid. It's not an island. Okay. Let's just go around in a circle. It's like a circle. I like this baby blue color. I do like the baby. I know it's a word. Baby blue color. Oh, so I'll let you know. Let me slow down for a second and talk like a human. Okay.